The skies do not look good, but welcome back to Team Ez TV. We are at Gas City 410 Sprint Car Racing, a new ride to the channel, so let's check it out. Lights, camera, action, and roll. Couldn't have worked out much better. Check it out. 23. It used to be the S, so I still want to call it the 23S. So pumped. Check this out. I got the latest and greatest. I haven't had a chance to run this XT shock from CSI, proud sponsor of the channel, because on the coils I need the threads, and I've been rocking out the coils with the midget. CSI hooked me up, gave me a set of shocks, gas fronts, that XT double adjustable right rear, some rebound fronts, and a left rear shock that's got so much clamp a turn off. Boom. Oh yeah, we're gonna do that again just so everybody sees. You see that? Locked down. Oh yeah. Check these out. These little quick connects. Is that not slick or what? Oh yeah, it's go time. Rolling out for practice, and practice is qualifying.
And welcome to Witt's RC Racing Products Qualifying here on Team Ez TV. If you race RC cars, go check Witt's out at witsracing.com.
She's a little muddy. Be careful of the headers. The headers are hot. Other than that, everything else you can kind of scrape away, bud. Place is super wet today because of all the rain, and it's gonna be tricky. When it's greasy, that's usually not my cup of tea because, well, I kind of overdrive the car too much, and then that doesn't help me. So hopefully we just made the invert. Usually they invert 4 in the heat races here. We weren't quick time, I know that for sure, so hopefully we're like 3rd or 4th, put us on the front row of the heat. Not too sure, but not gonna have to do a whole lot of changes to this thing because we still don't know the car and the track hasn't come in yet, and when it does, it is gonna be hammered down. All right, well, we were in the first heat race and it is go time. Oh, I think we start 4th, so track is muddy. Probably not gonna get a lot of footage off of this one. We just got done with the heat race, and this place is juiced up. It's so heavy, and it's like, it's so wet that it's tough, because if you're not backed in there, it's trying to toss the nose. That happens when it's greasy, you know. The right front doesn't stick very good because it's not very big of a tire, you know, and you got all those rear tire, all that rear tire on the back of the car. So when it's greasy, you fight the thing turning. I honestly don't feel like it's gonna come in all night. And so I feel like it's gonna just keep getting hooked up more and more and more. By the end of that thing, I was so tight. All right, it is go time. We start 6th in the feature. Oh, it is going to be hammered down. On the outside road, number 2 starting. Was pretty big. You don't want to flip when the track is hammered down like this. I think he's okay. He just climbed out of the car, so we're good. All right, well, we're up to 2nd. That means we got a shot at this still. It's a little greasy on the bottom, and KT needs to make a mistake, but I'm pretty good. Oh, that hurts. So we're gonna start 3rd. Damn it, I gotta get by Logan again. He's tight though, so I just gotta work him. Hey, it ain't over till the fat lady sings, and I think we still have like 10 laps. second at one point, kind of got it given back on a yellow. I mean, we ended up finishing third, but you know what? We went forward. I stuck to my gut, and I knew the track was just going to keep getting heavier, and it did. So
blow it into one and go to cut it across, and he tried to follow you. He got there, and
He just wanted to make sure you go check out our sponsors, Witt's RC Racing Products and CSI Shocks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.